here in Europe, it's against the law. Thank you. It's against the law. You cannot be beating an adult. It's not allowed. Even all these our children, we are not even allowed to beat them. What if God give you the right? Say you want to beat another man picking. You know they work like that. That's my problem when I get with so many people. That's my belly sister, Didi. I see you. Good afternoon. Welcome. You understand? It's a big problem in our society here in Europe. It's a big problem. Now, they will turn the matter around. They will say, why us they talk like that? Because us papa, he beat him mama when they young. It's a lie. Since I grow to this stage, my father never raised hand on my mother. But my grandfather, yes. My grandfather, yes. But not my mother. Or not my father. Up to date. It's not like that. Not be one of the things cannot be so it be. My own now for your home today good. So it will be say, una feel resolve without issue, without problem. Why beating? It is not beat a woman, now they fear you. The day when you beat woman, now that day they reduce the love when she get for you. They reduce her gradually. Gradually. Now I call it turn to this stage when we do so. I want to play one thing for now. When I wait. When I power tap. Now I could play this one for I know that thing. The other phone. The woman try her best to communicate with this guy. Okay? To communicate. Let's talk as husband and wife. This marriage is not the work. Upon I have given my best to the extent that the woman able to work. Now you can imagine now somebody they drag children from their mother just because of 750 euros. Ask yourself, if you are working in Germany, what is 750 euros? Is that money? Ask yourself that question. 750 euros for 3 children, is that really money? Now, see where for shoot yourself for leg now. Me, my honor to expose things when they happen for the world. Now to expose. Now, see where for shoot yourself for leg now. Madam, listen to me very well. Listen to me very well. Listen. This one the talk say, I the spoil person, I the spoil person. If you dare for happy, they take her like that. What soon you not concern me. You understand? On my side that day, you must not watch me. Don't be by force to watch person. I'll not be 100% social media person. I'll be 100%. You understand? You must not. I know what you know they think now for FYP now. I don't see 1 or 2 persons now. You understand? Now, if you now when you want when the outside now, many things will evolve. My own have to talk with you I know. You see that has strength when they dodge. When they dodge now. But at least you know, maybe you yourself in this country, now make you not know this one. I will tell you. You see that has strength when they run for now. Say nothing pay strength now. No worry, relax. No even permit the deportant. Okay? No even permit the deportant. If he choose that one to himself, no problem. Let the deportant until you choose for yourself. But for your own side, no pray for him. No go to pray for and say you want to pray for and no, because they say want by you. No pray for person who say want by you. Okay? Make I tell you. Make evil get paper. Make they give a document. You see those 3 children? Those 3 children when they run for so. You see, that same money when they run for so. That same wake when you say they call the brace so. That same wake. That they call they pay that wake to your children. That's why I talk. And what I know be that. Understand? As soon as far he come up for that house, okay, you come here say they don't give him paper. Go apply for children money. Not the one they receive, so be that get do. Not be that one. Unterheit. Go apply for Unterheit. You go apply put. They give you the money. Or you go apply for Unterheit for shoes. Because you know if you do Unterheit with not possible. Because a toxic person. So you know if you do Unterheit with person, say they give you money for hand. Not go that can lie. Go see use that against you tomorrow. Please. Go see use that against you tomorrow. Not go that can lie. Please. Go do Unterheit for shoes. Okay? Maybe they take that to the money for government purse. They take out for government purse. Government they give from their purse for those two children. That one are the money when parents, one of the parents, not they live with those children. Then every 6 months, they'll go to give them pay for a house. Interest will come fall out. Now I make some money I see for Germany. Not everybody want the Germany they make them. Not people don't understand though. Not everybody want the Germany they happy. Not everybody want the Germany make them for Germany. You know why? Most of these things they draw people back. Let me tell you and say, now only people when get sense. Only men when get sense. Now they feel they survive for Germany. Because why? If you get people with your wife, then you know if you tell your wife say see what you want to do. As far as not separate, they don't know what to do. Now to go meet God and say, these children, they are part of the pay. So make when they give me the money, I take care of them. You understand? So sometimes, now true say we dey marry our enemy. See what he talk for here. Listen to that thing very well. You get where I take reason now. Sometimes, when I want to say more, they keep secret too. I don't want me to cry for FYP. I don't want me to cry because see one thing when I watch this thing, listen to this thing, listen.
I think I say you this thing.
Listen.
Ross, I know why I say you this thing.
Listen.
Woman who carry man sit down. The man they come out for house. He won't carry children. I know why they say you. You say,
listen.
Because you married for you yesterday. I'm not supposed to say you all those things. I know why they say you. I think I just know around for you. I'll go to the house with the men who open the door. Doctor say doctor still go reports. We are not go reports. Me, I can't go do my reports. We involve ourselves together.
Listen.
She don't get mama, you don't get papa. He tell them say that.
He don't get mama, he don't get papa. He tell government say if mama and papa don't die. I say he get the mama and papa picture. This boy is a small boy. This guy never even reached to born. He never reached to born pikin. Not by age. When I forget age, when I go through age, another person will believe on age. This guy never reached to born pikin. Because he want to go marry woman. He never reached. You know why? I will prove it to now. Listen first.
But mama, they are like picture everything they with me.
You see, picture everything they with me. So I'll go show government say, mama, they are alive. Okay, now, person like me now, you go tell government say, my mama, they are alive. Picture there with you. Is that an evidence? A picture of my mother is not an evidence. Do you know why? Only DNA can prove that this is my real mother. How do you know it's my mother? Were you there when I was born? The answer is no. I can't understand my mama and I be this one. Well, listen.
How did they do children when they do that? So how did they do the house? Your mother did they not?
On the line. How it they use children money till they build that. Now make I tell you something. This same guy, so now even they use children money, this guy so the same money. Oh, see, madam, listen, this not to spoil your heart, okay? It's not to spoil your mind, okay? You are not obligated to send your husband family money. It's not a must. Not be only that you they do. You are not obligated because why? She have a lot of receipts. When she they send money, they give this guy family a lot of receipt, the evidence. But in the claim now, saying that the woman they use children money till they build that. It is a government. Government don't hear all these things before. We don't disgrace ourselves tire for this country now. Lisa in the building, Lisa is there. We don't disgrace ourselves tire for this country. They know all these things before. No, but today they know all these things before. Go tell them. They know all these things. Can I yet talk with that one? So Lisa, I don't know what I did in hurry. Talk to her if you want to talk to us, Mama.
My host.
I greet you, my sister.
Good morning,
Good afternoon.
everybody. Good morning, host.
I greet you.
DT, sometimes I know they get patient to listen too much, but today I just they listen, but he just they sweet to me. I don't know what I want to. May God Almighty continue to bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
As you are speaking for the voiceless people and all these Jesus Christ wife, we want buy a gift for men. Thank you as they help them to know say they not be Jesus. You understand? Now marry, they marry. Either you work or you not work. You understand me?
Period.
So as you talk, some in-laws may they take hands, especially the woman's side, women's side. Most marriages, the women family always wants it to work, to be honest. If the men family also they put that same effort, they talk to their sons, I believe say some things go they solve. But instead, you know, they be like that. When the woman side go they try make marriage work, because a woman that they send home according to where before they come. And this men will not be taking advantage or thinking these people are fool. You understand? To lawyer for until they try make things work. Now they bring the sea finish. You understand? Not be say some family really weak. Oh. Some of them, our sister, they beg. They beg the brothers for bag. They beg. I beg. At the end of the day, you come like say they're weak. When they want to talk, put it don't too late. You understand? This guy will say come for Shina, so anywhere for anybody carry. Me no, una no they come among at us say any jobless man for una village. Juju they buy am. He dey craze. Any man when not fit take care of his family, he dey run mad for una culture, for una tradition. He know they dey una hand. I know most of all these people do waiting on their do tradition. Una go your wake up now, your talk and say na so it be. Me no know where una for come. Almost everybody for the whole Edo state, we are practicing almost the same thing. No difference when it comes for tradition. But now this TikToker for no say, they go say, in my tradition, this is how we do it. In my tradition, you go say your family. When you say your family, we go see understand a little bit. Say now una create that love for una self within una family. Not say una tradition for where una for come. Because that place where you for come, other people come from there. Whenever they practice this thing, whenever even hear this the way they talk, you understand? Where you for come, if woman carry children, he go run mad. Where you for come, if lazy man when not feed wife and children, he go run mad. I swear. You know they talk that one.
Yes.
You know go talk that one. One until they put fear for all these women body. Where you for come, where you for come. You even know where you for come, Oga. Where you for cannot be mad they take care of woman. Where you for cannot be mad they provide. Where you for cannot be mad be the head of the house. When he reach to contribute, una no one more na own big pass. Woman tell you say bring 1,000 and our own expenses even more. And at the same woman I want buy clothes for children. Some men don't even know the size of their children's shoe or pants or clothes. Nothing. This woman do everything. See they contribute. You say why you go bring 1,000. You not see and say from that your tradition and you want Chris so because you don't know your responsibility. The thing where they give you power go turn against you when time reach because you not do the needful. Benin where me for come man where not they feed the wife, where not they take care of the wife, where me know. If that wife go knock for her side, that juju they sleep, he go they wash her where another man they arrange the man. The juju go they say now so this woman deserve this thing. Because the real man where they give her, he don't know his job, he know they feed her, he know they do her well. So you for us now they escort the woman to go do adultery for her side. If you don't know me, you know now. Because some of you be like so I don't know what they talk. You marry person pikin for her. As you know they feed down, you know they take care of her. When you they claim unnecessary rights, then that woman now hungry or anything come happen, one man can say, you don't deserve to be in this kind of marriage. Come, my sister, you need service. For more than 1 year, your husband not touch you. You never eat better food. The woman can say he want to assist you, make it do the needful. You can't say may your tradition they look you. May help you go fight that woman. My brother, now you they will cripple down. I swear to God. They will cripple you because you are a useless man. You didn't do the needful. The tradition, the uhure will be so disappointed in you. So they will escort that woman. If na night, she follow backyard, follow window, go. He go successfully and come back. Amadioha go follow and go come back with no stress. If you don't know, you should know that. You understand? The only woman where the thing they cash now, woman where be say husband really they take responsibility. If they feed them, she's okay, she's happy, and still I see there another man for her side. Those kind of woman ahead the thing if he strike her instantly, no wahala. But you see the one where you, as you just they talk for this audio, lazy man where you be for waiting we don't hear since. You not get the one where they day. You now you woman suppose they bring another man go tell say excuse me, want use the bed. Oga, go outside first. My boyfriend dey here. Some of una deserve that treatment because you don't know what you're doing. Your children, the children. Who children? Where's that not be if not be condition? You dey craze. If not be condition, say some women now women they'll like, oh my time is going, my time. Sometimes we know they get patient or know the person who want father our children. Where say not be? You're not supposed to be the father of those children. My children. If you know what children it's all about, you make sacrifice. How many of you these categories, this set of boys will come out and say, as a man that knows the value of children, this is what you are supposed to do. I respect that woman that she came out, she sat you down because she's tired of your shenanigan character. She tell you say, oh God, this is not a work. I beg, me will change. May we leave each other. And I don't know what to be separation. You can be separated, also come back. I better mute my brother. Thank you, host. You separation sometimes not mean say marriage don't dissolve pata. Sometimes we need to give each other space. Let's see what is going on. Let's come back. African men, if you talk separation, it go be like say you put bullet for their head. You don't want separate. You don't want change behavior. Who want come buy for your matter like that? Okay, may you come out. You physically come out say this one when my wife don't discuss this kind of thing so. Now be say this woman I don't really do they do. What will I do now to make this thing work? Okay, my wife, for you to talk this thing, I know say you don't invest. I beg, give me some time. I go change. Make I work on her. No vex. I don't know why they provoke. I don't know why my hand not they stay one place where I think they touch you. That evening, may you carry her, carry the children, go enjoy, take care of her. May she see consider. Inside that conversation, she still give you another 1 year. Now so women be. We they quick forget. For her to speak out, even me say she be still get interest for that marriage to work. But you were foolish enough. All you could say is, oh wa come out. Osunde, oh wa come out. Me na come out. May she come out. Can't give you pikin. May you they look. You will not fit bring 1,000 for rent. How you want to feed the children? You want to go to carry food for outside, they come. Or your girlfriend we no never even ready to take our own personal responsibility. Now you want to help you take care of children while another woman born. Which girl want to do that one for you? You want to bring the girl, say, come help me cook for my children. My brother, some of you now, if it go possible, they'll really leave the children with you now for straight 1 month. If you not link, make people they look you say, be like say this brother don't carry HIV. Be like say he get cancer. It be like if you not link, may I know why? Because some of them they feel say as they talk for man, so it be. You hear where else they analyze and just now. How it they be when you want dress children. We will be the women sometimes even they frustrate us ourselves. You don't see where Pikin go they select for your hand. Pikin go they tell you say, mommy, not that. No, mommy, no, I don't want to wear that one. Yeah, okay, which one do you want? You go, you don't know when you scream. Shout. Mama go there and she go they talk to herself. You don't see him. Did you say easy?
You're right.
No, talk of say that same woman go come see go work. He go come close the children. He go feed them. He go do everything. Your own na to come. Maybe if you do too much now, you help am for kitchen small, and some of them they look that one like big deal. And you get mad, they say your village, if you go your village, if you talk this one, it not work. If you not get bad mind, you want even deport your own children. The same children where you say they important for you, say your village people go give the woman madness for, but that same children now, you say if you do everything, say they not deport the children, say you go your village. See, where you want go for your village, both the person where you want make the woman mad, both you, both who they join you, both who give you the idea, the one now take craze, we go record now. Host near you for that side. The way you take craze, the way host go take record your madness, in fact, Nollywood has never had that kind of madness before. Your own will be touch not. Guinness record now you go carry for your own madness. The best mad person in the world. Now you go use your head, package that madness, make the mad they go. Since you they wish a person, woman you want say I love, you just sit down and say na madness, you can't they wish that woman just because she need peace. Tell me how will you get a peace? Tell me. All these guys, women, I beg, more not they focus on the long thing. More not they focus on the long thing alone, because some of these boys don't deserve to be a father. They don't deserve it. Children, you don't get what it takes to take care of your children. You don't have what it takes to be a father. You don't have what it takes to be a responsible man. You can't even take care of yourself. Look at how you are talking to your brother-in-law. Will not do you anything.
Very bad character. You
want report or you not report or like a responsible guy. Maybe say that one I go call your brother, his sister, say your husband spoke to me, he's really in pain. Please, my sister, as they beg, may they say help you beggar. Instead, you go like Oduga, go they threaten and say you want make his sister a man. As always talk, that man a good man, na good man. You should say that man I don't say it, because I know you're good for a maths. Normally his reply supposed be Ogun I go fire that your mouth where you take record give that man. But that shows the man is a responsible man. He just tell you say he not blame you. Instead you can't see reply. You see where your bad character for start. You can't reply. Now a got meeting where now for where every day where would and if you want even manage chop goat meat, now Germany you want the chop, now the way not strong. You see that Italy that they cross border for you. Allah where you can do where would they border goat chop? Woman go extremely, they cross border because of goat meat they want to cook for you. That one alone not touch. Since you not value your children, may you value the goat's meat, may you change mind. No, you not still respect the goat's meat. You not respect goat's meat. You not respect children. You not respect your wife. Okay, what till you can value for this your life? Tell me what till you value. If you could not value goat's meat, whether they cross border for, tell me what till you can value, my brother. This is not funny. Person cross border go buy goat meat fresh. Come they cook for this lazy man. He not value am. You see, get mad, they talk. Say you want to do madness. Okay, if you mad now, the one normal got meat in no way. Lazy man where they chop better food. They crazy. You know what it be goats? That goat is paying his duty. Do you know what it takes? The goats where your wife go they buy, he even responsible pass you. No, it's not funny. The goat responsible pass this guy because goats go born children, go protect the children. But you now as human being, you know if you protect your children, you they wish may they deport your own children. You know see say that goat where they shop better pass you. It better pass you. That's the cross border for you. Go back. Go not be only go. She go buy now. Go buy that things. Wait, go follow. That's the cross border for you, my brother. You see, say now because of herself, she dey cross that border because you don't tell her say the one where they buy for Italy get taste pass the one where they Germany. Now she stick to that.
Not true. What I know.
Now she stick to that. Say, my husband like crossing Italian goat. So for that reason, I go the cross border all the time. Go they buy goat meat, and you still not happy. They say, boy, I hear you what? Oje, see your head. Not mine now. Person better man go there where go they chase this woman that time now. Now you go there front. You they preach what you not be for her. She go teach a better person you be.
Yes. Yes.
Only day where I know say this boy go they happy small for this with this woman now. Now when that goat meat arrive, he go smile small because na favorite. But when he sets now, the one when me did a verse for this boy now. When he sets now, but you did not consider anything. You not value goat, you not value anything. And host said it that did you want me person mad or marry when I know it? Did you not give you paper? Did you not change your brain, may you be human being? Did you does nothing for you? But not to make person man, now that kind of juju now you get you and whoever did that same meeting where they say when I want make person mad. You know something that you where that's when you don't already the crazy so when man when I tell on that so you begin the voice rubbish for person. This one a madness. Now stage 1 depression you did now. Very soon you go enter stage 5 before you know you go like that for hospital. Frustration. You just newly start, my brother. If I were you, either you use brain. If you not use brain, now you they'll deport last. You go Nigeria, go the chop goat meat for that side. See on your power way. Oje we unza. Yeah. Let's cross border. Saying that woman, I don't want to talk to you. You try but that border not trying again. If you enter another relationship, they cross border for one man. Go they bear with you. I don't know. If they not chop German goats, make the person rest. Or marry a goat or a horse. Now so make they chop cats. Ayo they cross border for man. Go they buy goat meat. You cross border finish. What till you gain now? Nothing. You me. How you make boy by after you cross border? Who does that? If you jam any man again, if they don't like Germany goats, since they that Germany, you don't like the one way near una area where Africa shop get for there. Me or she by itself, waka go the crossing border, go the chop goat for that side. Our load up we were. Anything will make it come on, say one go back goat for Italy, may not come back to your house. Since na goat, you don't know how to carry family. Thing be that one. They cross border, they crazy for waiting. If you say you know if you go the border, now may you go buy the goat. You know if you go, you can't cross the border. But person they cross am for you. You see they maltreat am. You see they maltreat am.
But the woman get mad though.
He get mind, bros. No, she too do. You got a cross border for goat for man. My sister, I don't understand you. No, they do like that. They don't cross border for man. Okay, what he can't do you now? What he do you? Is he disrespect you?
Yes.
Upon everything. Is he disrespect you? Disrespecting your family?
Yes.
And so suck. Which person want see the way they talk to your other brother? Your other brother, if you not let you look here. Now one man come they threaten, they talk to anyhow for phone. And your brother they use a rub body for the sake of you. Because of you, he just they look calm. If that man vex tomorrow now, he break that boy hand. All of us go say, why brother go do like that? Why brother go do like that? But what did this guy they do now? It makes sense. It makes sense. And I'm not sure. You not tell your brother that part. Say your sister go. He go as he do me rich. Go even they go the cross border. They buy goods. He ain't telling you. He not report any of those stress where he make you go through. Now make it come off for us. Now they tell say your brother, your sister, they chase me come off for us. Not be you get house. Oh, so what you talk now true. Even though na government give you a house, more na let or they collect money from the man who come with you. Or make the man go carry your house. Make go carry your house. Make you pack go meet her. Make you they pay you for that house. You go choose one. Or either you they bring money, or you go rent house. Me and my children will come meet you. Now so you rich. Now man, now you supposed to put roof under your head. Okay, bring money for rent. Now good thing you just talk as a man, you're supposed to pay rent for your children.
Yes.
Good thing now you talk. Maybe the 400 you want the you not supposed to even join her for 4 that 1,004 you go pay her for the rent. Then the feeding as you talk, the ticket money, whatever, you fit take care of that one. You go pay complete rent.
I mean they pay this rent. I mean they pay here. Complete.
Yes, complete. Complete. You go your pay. Then every other thing go your come where you don't know whether or not they dress. You don't know you know. If the man cry come and say, I they pay 114 for this house, this is what is happening. This was see no say na man you be, you try, okay. More see I will take work this marriage, may it work. But if beating enter, you not go fit still work based on the beating. Una know they change. Una way they beat woman, una know they change. Now we not fit defend una for that area. Now 1 month, after 1 month, small thing don't trigger you, don't see give her worry.
Again.
I don't know why una be like that. And as well stop once una go, if una come by, be like so una they call revenge. But the woman go to say you go change, you have learned a lesson. They know they learn, they know they learn. They know they learn. Mona know they do like that. Calling police for a man or taking your case to court for peace to reign is better than we can't use juju fight each other.
God bless you.
It's better than we can't use juju fight each other for where children don't involve. Honestly speaking, it's a very bad statement to come up for a woman mat or man say you go hear from me. I tell you say I from Auchi. I tell you say I from Mesa. I tell you say I be Bini, I be Yokorian. Anywhere you come from, na your cup of tea. This is marriage. If I ask you for child support, you no want do, I go carry you go court. Court, you know, concern me and you again. Now the court people go they collect the money. Court they give me. I have no business with you. You want to see your children, you are welcome. And if you come, you use bad eye, look me, you they threaten me with your eye, say you know want communicate. I go see report you, say the way you are looking at me, I feel threat. I don't want you to come to my house anymore to look at the children. They go agree with us, say, okay, may would they go McDonald's way near so place, may you carry your children, I will hand over and there for you, me go come on. If they don't spend the 3 or 4 hours, even though at daybreak, the next day, bring the condas and McDonald's. I go carry my picking, I'll go ask. Because some of them, if they say, come see picking for us, you go call, you go, they hide the woman. If she dey call, you go leave picking where they say, come look, come greet. You go to listen to our conversation for phone. So, if I feel and say you, they give me that attitude, I will still go and report you. They will deal with you for me.
On the line.
I don't, why I want go juju? Money where I'll take buy better thing for myself or my children. I'll go give one my waist that may bag. You know how much for goat for Nigeria now? The goat where they cross border for you. You know how much for Nigeria? You not fit cross border buy goat where you like, may you shop, but you want go give person for Nigeria, may make person mad.
Okay.
You see how foolish you are. If you too see goat way cheap now, it's about 300, 250 to 300, 400,000. Now you see better goats.
Yes, you are right.
And anybody you carry that goat go give now, we be native doctor. When you carry that goat go give you now, you do Christmas for us. Why are we make a native doctor if you don't know? When got to gear, you want go do Christmas for that man with his 7 wife we get for us. Yeah, go to way. Why can make your wife mad? Your wife not go mad. And the more you they buy goat for Nigeria, the more your wife they fight you for Germany. The more you they frustrate. Yes. You never see anything. Keep buying goat. You will be buying. They chop your fowl and your goat. Your wife go they deal with you for Germany. They go. Now you go use your man, go call the babalawo, say, it's not working, it's not working. That one go say, how dare you say my juju not they work? Boy, now I done and then ya wa me am koi. Your testicle, if you go because you go tell her and say what he do for you no work.
Madam,
Make her mute. You never see
take her easy,
something.
madam. Take her easy. Sure.
Some of you men are wicked. Make her mute, I beg. Another person sits. Oh, thank you
Madam,
very much.
calm down. You know what? Make her talk. Sure. Don't if you calm
Thank you very
down.
much, Sister Lisa.
Yeah. Oh,
Common sense. It's not common. Common sense not common. You see, common sense is not common. Anyway, make we talk. We'll continue.
good afternoon, sir. Host. Where
Good
this
afternoon.
madam for come? This madam, where it goes?
But please wait first. Sorry, please just pardon us, please. I don't know whether our barrister they in a hurry.
No,
You don't know those
No,
for some time.
no,
They busy.
no,
Barrister Andy,
I greet you, Morgan. I greet everybody. Oh.
I greet you,
Don't
sir.
say small.
Good afternoon. Welcome, sir.
Augustine, you know every now, so
Yes.
that's why for some time I know they online.
I know,
Okay. My good people, I don't miss this house. So I thank you so much, Augustine, for what you did do. This our sister we talk here, talk full ground.
Yes.
I dey laugh for one corner, and the thing they still they give me headache for one corner because of what this brother do. Brother Austin, today I go rant for one side and I go advise for one side. I go talk as it be. Now you don't tell what they talk and here say sometimes now see finish they change good morning to have fun.
Yes.
And I don't talk for this platform. I say now the way some of our sisters they keep their parents, their mama and their pa and their brothers, now they make in-law they see them finish. When I listen to that voice note, number one, make I state something here. When you listen to the voice note, you go no say that guy self, you not get sense, you don't understand. Not be mature person, not be every man be man, you don't understand. Because my papa they talk and say, so nothing they there. Listen, nothing what they feel they do. Nothing what they feel they do. Now fear that. Listen, when I listen to the word, no, I just even they laugh. Say this guy not even get sense. Number one, Augustine, this man married this woman. Make I ask one question. He marry her.
They are married.
Marry her like you marry her. They are married, husband and wife. You go pay bride price. You
Yeah,
do well. You do everything.
Just wait, sir.
You go
I
in
need to
in-law
be-
house. Go knock house.
I need to be specific.
You get one.
Anyway.
I bet make we know.
I need to be specific, sir.
because we
Just wait, sir. Just
we,
1
we,
minute.
they learn every day here.
Yes. I need
So
to be
that we know as
specific.
we go take the talk and that advice. He married this woman properly.
Hey, mama, una marry. Okay, so una dey sick. He never marry you. Oh, me wan gbon.
Okay. Augustine, you see what thing with the talk? Number one, you get the God, speak phone, call your brother-in-law. No, I not call him brother-in-law because he never married.
They're not married.
You call your baby mama. Listen, you call the innocent man where be say, you not even tell him waiting they happen. You don't begin to tell and say, waiting to do this one, you go do this one, picture there this one, you go do this one, I go tell you say I come from so place for Auchi. Does it even make sense? The brother na cool person, no. Na cool person. That's why I talk say, not be all in-law you go fit pick up your phone, call them, begin to tell them nonsense.
Huh.
My sister, everybody know in place. I don't think say my sister husband come pick phone, come begin to call me, say they tell me nonsense. Say, listen, you get where they go look you finish, they go see you finish, and now some of our women are in the cosa.
Yes.
That's the truth.
Underline.
And then they curse am. And then they curse am. We dey talk am here every day. E get some people on a good day, they not go even fit sit down for the same chair, eat with our papa, but they go dey still dey throw insult go meet our papa. On a good day, if our papa sit down for chair, the person he go there for Sambisa Forest, they talk to our father. But because of the way our sisters don't give these people impunity, then go begin to talk to our papa where we say on a good day. They not even born them well to speak to our papa anyhow and our mama. Yes. Now our sisters now they cause them. Innocent man now when sit down in own. You pick phone, go begin to threaten the man. They begin to tell the man, I go show you this one. Listen, if na man wey get sense, you get a problem with your woman. Not be to call, if you respect that in brother, not be to call and say, I beg go see what your sister they do me. Don't lock me put for outside. Not be way you just even begin to send threats. They go to even say the way where the guy take answer that the guy na cool person because maybe he don't look up and down look say well I not blame you for the man to make that last statement. I not blame you.
A cool guy.
Now his sister not be cool guy. Now his sister put him for that condition.
Okay.
Underline. Not be say I not blame you for say because you're a cool guy. I not blame you because if not be my sister will give you that impunity where you just he give you a show free, you born 3 children for free of charge.
No marriage.
I not think say you get the guts to come talk to me the way you talk to me. So underline that word.
Yes, underline.
Not be say talk say I not blame you because you're a cool guy. Because it gets sometimes if you pursue goat, go reach war, goat self go face you, begin to pursue you because himself want way of escape. Yes. The guy not talk say I see you, I not blame you because say my sister put him for that condition. If to say the man do the right thing, you go marry this woman properly, you respect in-laws. I don't think say you go pick up phone, go begin to talk to him brother anyhow.
At all.
That's the truth. And our sisters, when I need to stop all these things when I do for Europe. That's the truth. When I need to stop them. Because the see finish when they push go meet with family members. Now they cause all this see finish.
Too much.
How dare you? Call somebody brother, begin to talk to her, they threaten her, they tell her and sister say, I know your mama and papa, this one, blah, 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 I go tell government, I think you know what can I bring so and so mean for this country. I go carry picture, go give them, those children they go repatriate. Now mature man, they feel they talk like that. So if they repatriate, they carry your woman now, your 3 children, stone them go for bongo because waiting you gain at the end of the day. Not you that go laugh at the end of the day.
Yes.
That is to show you, say, not be all man be man. You get men with marry, the way where they reason, it be like children waiting for kindergarten. I talk with my full chest. I don't see many of them. The way where I go come and say, Oga, I beg. Not be school be everything. Wisdom, you get people who go school safe, when not go school, they get wisdom past people who go school.
Yes.
Common sense, you know they common at all.
At all.
Okay, look at waiting this kind of man they talk now. You talk to an elder brother, it go show you the way where they take the talk to his wife inside house now. It don't make sense.
Yes.
It don't make sense. I beg, this kind of thing why they hear every time, for you know they make sense. Make una know, women, make una know they put on a family member for space or for circle where they say, the person we put una for house, go they see una parents finish. We don't there for this platform where somebody they go the cost a father-in-law, they cost mother-in-law. It makes sense, or God say,
at all.
It don't make sense now. At the end of the day, the woman where you marry put for house, the way where your in-law take respect you, if they see say their daughter they misbehave, now then go still call and to order, tell and say your head not correct. If my sister now they husband house, when a husband never call me any they can't report say my sister do this one, say can't call me one they see what my the way where I go take on my sister, you go no, because the guy a good person. So if we begin to do this thing all the time, they make people will be say on a good day, they're not going to even fit talk to our papa, begin to curse our papa, curse our elder brother. It don't make sense, I beg. Make we stop this nonsense. Not be said because all of us don't come for Europe, we go to allow men they do us social free, born 3 children, born 2 children, born 4 children. At the end of the day, they're not going to do the necessary thing. Why they not go curse? Why they not go begin to insult our family members?
They're not even married. I don't even know.
Why they not go? What did they happen for this Europe? Say, now because of this government money, now they put us for this kind of condition. I don't understand. If you dare Nigeria, you go feel born 3 children for man. Where be say you never even come knock for the house, you never come pay bride price, you don't respect your family member, you don't do everything. And at the end of the day, that man go get the guts, come to cause your family member. We all be men. Make we talk the truth here. I beg. If you are today, or guys today now, your sister, husband begin to throw insult, come meet you. You not go there happy now.
I don't take camo. Now,
you not go there happy. Me, I not go take camo. Me, I not go take him with that man. So you don't marry my, you don't do the right thing. Would they respect you? You can't come the cost me because of my sister. You need to stop.
Mama.
You need to stop. And madam, I beg. You know, say this government house where people they stay, you know, they give some men impunity. You know, they work, you know, they do anything, but you still they get guts, they can't they talk anyhow. Not be all men be men. If you be man, carry your wife and your children, go pay house rent for 6 months, make you know as body they buy person, or go take mortgage, make you know, say, kaki not be leather. I beg. This thing they pay me because innocent people will stay their own, eh? Okay, Austin, you talk say that guy na cool guy. Not be cool guy. He said I don't blame you. Now I not blame you. It mean a lot of things. I not blame you. Now my sister will put me for this condition. I make you get the guts. Come begin to call me. Come begin to call me. Which one be saying a cool guy? You think say that guy not feel react? He not want react because he respect himself. Because if he talk at the end of the day now, the sister way they even they defend, the sister not bring respect on the family.
At all.
That the truth be that. You not bring the respect come the family. Why you think say Yoruba people if them marry anybody, you go dobale for the family, you go like that. Listen me, I dobale for my family member. I dobale. I go copy phone, I got a sword. They say make I beg with the people I carry call my family member. Say they make I beg, say they won't give me wife and I beg. They do everything. Now I go copy phone, I call they cost my brother-in-law, they cost everybody. It makes sense.
But it's how you beg.
I dobale and I lie down for floor. After they lie down for floor, I said that they collect the money. Family members they throw the money they put for everywhere. Now at the end of the day, you go they cost your carry for go they cost your father-in-law. They go bill you. all the gift where you go cost you go fulfill all the list. After that one, you go do big marriage again. They go swash do everything. Now you go come pick. Oh, I beg. You see which are they talk? Now some of these women are in the cause, even though say we they speak up for some of them. Now some of them are in the cause this finish for our family member. Augustine, I rest my case here, make another person.
Oh, thank you very much, my barrister. God bless you. Thank you very, very much for your nice submission. So, make we not forget where barrister talk us now. Make we listen to that particular place where the brother can talk that word.
She make me laugh.
Then I not be you want play. Also, not be you.
Tell me, say you looking for outside. That was when this kind of message come for me. Imagine now. Don't blame me.
You hear him?
He said when she go carry. They see your message just now. I don't even call you when you call me when I'm not there. I can't call you back. Before I can see you, this kind of useless call when you come message, you say for me. Say me I call.
No, before this one, more fair go this one first. This one.
Ross, I know why they say you this thing. Cham, woman go carry man sit down. The man they come out for house. He won't carry children. I know why they say you.
Now the obey will be this.
Because you narrate for you yesterday. I'm not supposed to say you all those things. I know why they say you. I think I just know around for you. I'll go to the house with the men who open the door. Doctor say doctor still go report. Me and nobody go report. Me, I can't go do my reports. We involve ourselves together. But she don't get mama, you don't get papa. He tell they say they don't die. But mama, they are like picture everything they with me. I did they use children money to do that. So both how did they do the house? Your mama did they also no brother. I'll provide everything. Give the land dresser. You don't need to be land dresser. Now be questora. Say that me, he won't carry my children. Go free. We'll fair offer. The partition will come out between me and the children. But I'm content like that one. That step, no come out. I'll put Chris for your body. I'll tell us now which you have for confront you too. Don't be say match. I will come tell her. That's why they tell you your man. Did you say that the wakamo and make sure in a waka for her? I make her design you this thing.
Okay. This is the response from the brother.
Don't call me.
This is the response from the brother.
Call you when I'm not there. I can't call you back. If I can see you, we can do less call. Say, man, call Mama Jane, I may open door for you. You just call me. Just they tell me, say that you come from outside. I love you for outside. You do never enter house. Maybe call and maybe just open door for you. Just the way they do you now your man have been that one waiting. You come, you want call me, you come in and tell me, see what they happen. Nobody go explain it for me. They command me that you call and make open door for you. Or rather, if they deport all of two of now, if you are in Nigeria, I don't have to know get power pass. That's why they talk to person or talk to any person in-law. You know if you explain anything, don't they do the same message to me. I say, may I call Mama Jane and make open door for you. I don't even call her before I see your message. Say me waiting, they see what you tell me. Say me you look for outside. That was when this kind of message come for me. Mama Jane, no blame you.
Okay.
I see your message.
It comes with that word. I not blame you. Oswona, you know see rest too. He can't reply in-law. Not be in-law. I don't know how they call in-law. I don't be in-law. This one I reply when he reply this again.
You say you don't blame me. I don't blame you. Okay. You say you don't blame me.
Can you imagine?
After you see my message, if you be say for where you come from, man, the lock doors, me man don't enter. I still talk and you still get mama, your mama they alive. Our side they know they collect woman who carry children. That woman go run mad, get time for mind. Don't be say mad. Oh, now call your mother, make them sit down, make them bath in her daughter well, make them they bath and well. I will tell her when me for come here. I will tell her woman, if they run mad, say won't carry our children for abroad.
Okay, forget that talking. Yeah. Forget that thing. Forget that talking.
You know what I want to do. I will go to the house again. You know, open that door. My children.
Okay, after all this raking, this one I don't know. After all this raking, after all these boasts, after all this talking, as we speak right now, the German government, which is the police, they don't perfect everything. They don't give a restraining order. That means not to even enter that street. Not to say one within 10 days. Even like wallet you forget before, it's not allowed. If you like you forget the document, you don't forget document. If you like you forget anything like lighter, you know it's not allowed to enter the house. After all this rant, all this rant with your rant, this is corner. Go the finish her for dinner for 10 days. Before that 10 days now, and they tell this woman. I know they talk, say, becoming person, say, see what you still talk. I know a person wants to do the batty body. Madam, before 10 days, they will send you letter. Say, the one carry this man, this case, go court. Go court with him. Because after 10 days, he get the right to come back to that house. Make you know in advance. That is the law. That is the German law. He get the right to come back to that house after 10 days. That 10 days is a restraining order. That means German police get the right to give restraining order without the court. It did their law. So after 10 days, they don't have that power again to execute it. So they will not go back to the court. They will not go back to the court to make it more longer. Because the case they caught now, enough it come back to that house. Enough it come back to that house. I just said they will marry. If some people marry herself, I never ask this. It's when it in my head. I never ask. Say if they are married or they are not married. I never ask. And they call her husband. That's when myself they made mistake. Some myself they made mistake. They call husband. People will say maybe not husband. They are really married.
Huh? Nah, boyfriend.
Would they
give them better title?
Oh, not blame yourself for that one. Sometimes even the women, maybe if she explain to you, she go see they refer to her as husband.
Yeah,
so
husband,
it will confuse you.
Husband.
Yeah.
Confuse my brain. I call it shame now.
Oh, guy, Austin, people will not qualify. Not give them that title again. They're not qualified. Not give them that title. May they remain where they.
They are not married. You can't expect when you not married. See, now only wish when they fly. Now will tell woman say, give me children. Mama will born children. Make it give you children. If you see how that thing they big for my head, maybe that because I don't know, maybe that because of the way where I be. Me, I can't even say that thing to anybody. Give me children. My children not fit there with you, or else you will run mad. Organ, you will run mad. But please talk to us.
Good afternoon, sir host. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Papa Andy. You see, sir. Now, yeah, boyfriend. Now you go carry one when escape from Kirikiri for Lagos. When mistakenly enter river, he can't find himself for Europe. Now he go open leg. Agbero. Oh, he go to give goat to Agbero. Oh. Agbero no dey chop goat. Now Momo dey chop now. Now what for that? Now real men dey chop goat. Why that woman go dey buy goat for Agbero? Now Momo Agbero dey chop. Oh, banla fish, Momo. Now Agbero dey chop. Why go dey use? Oh, madam. Wetin that Agbero do you when go dey? Momo banla fish wey no get taste. Now Agbero dey chop for Lagos. One escape come Europe, you can't go dey buy goat for. Why? Now you cause the problem now. Now you cause am. Why you go buy goat for Agbero? Buy correct Momo. Banla fish wey no get taste. In brave for correct. As you dey give am goat, e can't dey behave like goat. E can't dey behave like goat now. You get sense. You cross border from Germany to Italy, go buy goat for Agbero. Then make am dey behave like goat. We don't see talk when they come out for a man. They come out like normal human being. Now goat talk, now he can't dey talk. E no get sense again. Tell you say, he go tell them say you say your papa don't buy, your mama don't buy. He get your papa picture, get that one get sense. That one get sense. If na me be host, I beg, empower them. If na to put something for that guy pocket, make it serve. If he serve finish before he go come Nigeria, make it break correct. Make it break correct. If he no serve before he come Nigeria, he go pay me. He go serve before he go come back. Maybe before he go pay all those, he go dey pay children money wey go dey give the woman every time for there. His body go dey pepper and the more. They go condition and put for that thing. That marriage when he not do, when they born one, born two, born three. Madam, how that thing? No wonder sweet banana say he no get wetin to offer. Now only that thing just carry for her. He just carry her for her, can't give you. If they do anyhow, you go the hustle. Osude. Okpea no was okpea. Ikwe. Your wife they pay 1,350. Pay 1,000 for other housekeep. You know fit. No be supposed to pay house rent as a man. How, madam, man.
The full year. Men that to pay us rent to a lot of them. Not be this guy. Not the truth. Not be what saying for outside though. A lot of people for here they're not that to pay us rent to. You understand? Not be this guy. There's plenty here.
Sir, may I tell you, I not be say joke. You see, my guy want to say called German. If they from India when me are in India, they pay house rent for your wife for Germany there with the pikin. Now, officer now go Germany. Officer now go as he reach there, he buy car for the woman because the guy carry money go there. He buy car for the woman for taking care of his children for him. For how many years when they not there together, the woman they always come carry belle, go back, go born. Now some day there they do like person when no get sense. Hi. Oh sir. I don't know what some men, what they take feed some men. Oh. I know just know. Even outside when they take cow milk self, they get sense. They know just some men no just be at all. He pay house rent. Now they maybe wahala pay house rent.
Yeah, may not dey pay house rent here because that's why I tell you us last say when they done that government, when the woman done that government, government don't even know some men say they stay with their wife for house here. Government don't know. You understand?
Eh?
Yes, now. Yes. We live here.
Oh. Oh, so wahala dey o. And then they go call social media, they say those women no good. Those women no good. You get one platform where I go, if you see the guy saying that Germany day, all these women, they know they do well, they know they do well. I tell am say, guy, I don't want to talk put for your matter because I don't know na story. Now let's wait till I hear. He say, he nearly want to insult me for there. That they call the host call the tell say, not talk to Prince anyhow. Prince don't dey take nonsense. So I say I know na story, so I don't get your time at all. Just let me talk with you. I want to talk. May I come on for here? It pain am, man. It pain am. He say how me go come tell am say me know his story. I say I know na story because that German when you dey now, I don't want to put just dey one side because that woman when you come dey talk say e not good now. If they come play the record now, they will say na you be the bad head when they there.
Yes.
Now he tell me say how me tell Noah, why me they talk like that? I tell him say guy, they make I give my submission, I will come down. And so I take leave that matter because some of them they not get head, and they go carry women matter come social media. They talk bullshit. You can't pay house rent. You can't stand as a man. What you can make you there abroad? Hey, come village now.
A lot of people wey dey Germany here, a lot of men for here, they target children money as well. They target children money. Yes, let me talk am with full chest. A lot of men they target children money. I want to tell remove those children for those women had. Make government they pay them the money. Now what this guy want to be that? What is this guy want to be that? Yes, now.
He no one also.
You know want work.
If they make noise say he come from Auchi, which Auchi want make person man? Don't be Auchi when I know. Which of the Auchi? How many don't craze? How many don't craze for Auchi? I say for Sabo for Auchi. Sabo near opposite of Auchi Polytechnic. How many people don't craze? I don't go Ibiaru. How many don't craze? You know, put money for woman here. You say you want make her which craze? Now you that craze go. You see what did that woman talk? Not true. Not true. The ancestors go. They escort the woman go. Go. They collect the money. Where? They go. They collect her softly. Nothing go happen. They want yourself. They clap and say ancestors. Which ancestors? Where is he coming from? Where is the ancestors coming from?
Who won't even marry? How you want to make a case like that? That's true, top Prince.
I know understand. I be the smoking bro. Oh, you not confirm well, maybe they take something. That guy they take something. You not confirm well, they take something. Now make they talk like that because waiting they talk, you know just follow road. You they call a brother for Nigeria, say make a call his sister, make you put
Don't be Nigeria that one day, na brother day. Don't be even Nigeria.
For the same Europe.
They say Europe day, yes.
That guy get luck. If na me call like that, the next ticket, you go just see me. Wow, I just come. Tell her say that message when he sent for me. Repeat am as I stand here so. If he know say he be man, because all those kind of men when they beat women, they not get power to fight their fellow men. Repeat that thing when you talk. Send for me for phone. Talk am for my front here. Make I hear what you dey talk. If I go remove one teeth I go remove for a mouth. Now hospital you go wake up. Idiots. You see what they talk. Say how many people don't mad for Auchi? I dare Auchi. I grew up for Auchi. Where? How many? When their wife they even cheat for their eye, they know they see road. How many don't craze? How many? They talk to people who don't know you. I know Auchi well. How many don't mad? How many? He got one language where one woman use for my village. He say if you want misbehave as a woman, make you know they speak English and make you they speak English. Say ancestors not they hear English. That woman talk that here, everywhere scatter. Everywhere. Oh no, King close man like this. Who talk that thing? Then they bring the woman come and say, yes. He know what they talk. Say some men don't get head. Everywhere quiet. See me they know they speak Ishan. If you speak Ishan, now you go understand. Speak English. Make you know where the ancestors go here.
I
don't know, they say wahala. Oh, I can't go release it now. I can't reason and say, yes, if you they run that matter, if you they speak Ishan, they go hear you. If you they speak English, na lies. If you speak Dutch, speak Italian, speak another one. No speak Ishan, which Ishan? No speak a language. They speak another language. They will be confused. They won't help me. Which one? That day was, I don't sleep that day.
Tell me where all the prepare sis. We all call his something put. One leg don't break. It's at least I don't feel break too. They call the men to that. One way they bend, you don't break out.
No speak language. They speak English. They speak the country where you did. Confuse them. Who no one collect? See, who no one collect marriage right for your head? If they do shakara, among they know that they go. They speaking. No speak language. No speak language. No mistake. Speak language one day. They speak and they go. You go see. You go the pen now. You go say, your ancestors not work again. They don't hear what they talk now. They hear them. They don't hear them. They know you. Now that day when that woman talk that thing, I can't really sit down because my father can't complain. I hear the work baby, I hear all those kind of things. Now the woman don't get up and say, man, I don't know the speak Ishan.
Why got meat?
It's a many women know the martial law.
What is that talking also not true? So they want goat meat for your place.
Not true now. Since that day, I hear baby. Who want to kick goat? If you don't want to call your marriage right, they'll just speak another language. They go. Nothing go happen. They'll just float. They go. All these men when they put money for your head, they say you know what collect. They know what collect marriage right. Oh, buddy, they shy your Congo. They go. No speak Ishan. No speak language. All these rubbish people. I they come and make I wish I fit just tap war now, just arrive war. I go get community, make meeting life meeting. They go to now. Deal with them. Make I soon want talk. If you talk, if you talk, I'm not gonna follow you talk. I'll just keep you quiet. The day when they go to Nigeria, now they wait for you. Oh yeah, it not be the day when small people break pot where they keep water. Not be that day they answer. The day when you forget, now you go answer and say, guy, that thing when you talk that time, now Nigeria you there now. Country where anything can go, now you there. Now how far for that thing when you talk for when me and you there abroad that time, how far? You go say, you go tell and say, deal with her. Guy do me that thing for you now. I say, I not talk to her. I say, reach Nigeria. Me and him jam for Abuja. Gwa. I say, you remember 2009? I say yes. I give her time and date. He say yes. That thing when you tell me say I don't fit do you anything. Now me and you there here now for no mama, no papa. Now me and you face each other now for Abuja. In the day they beg me. In the day begin they beg me. In the day begin they beg me. He tell me say I beg. He no say that thing vex me. I beg. Make I no vex. Say me and him grow up together now. I say if na dey abroad now they run mouth anyhow. Now they talk anyhow. See me and you now. Me and you face each other. How far? How the matter be? He come dey tell me say I beg. That's what I tell him. I tell him say next time don't try it. If you try it, I will not talk to you here until we reach Nigeria. I will follow you talk. So this guy now, madam, Oh, now you even made this guy get power. Go they buy goats. I wish na Pomo and you go tell me how they send pala for you. Now all those agbero na Pomo and pala that they chop. Oh. Person when chop Pomo and pala no go get strength till they talk to you anyhow. You know they threaten you say na you want man. You, madam, nothing go do you. Nothing. Nothing. Tell now every native doctor they work. When they see good when you don't do for us, say you don't chop many goat for your head. The thing when you do self go reverse back to you. Because the native doctor go see say don't chop many goat for your head. The good way you don't do for them, it go they show for your head for their way for stand for native doctor. Before you know your guardian angel will just touch the native doctor head. Bam! That madness when one give you, native doctor will give on the man, it go serve on there. You just dey follow you talk one day for his house, you just say, you go begin to laugh, madness don't start. Now you have been one do, now me can't do. In madness don't start be done. That time host go now video and post am for social media and say yes, the job has been completed. The job. Host, abeg madam, you see wetin host tell you so work on that 10 days. They come ask you say whether make the drag and go court. Abeg drag am agbero na court be there. They dey fear court well. Drag and go court, he go disgrace himself. He must go disgrace. He must, you know, if you carry am reach that court now, you go talk. One day he go lose guard for that court. He go wan react. Now there he go just sign himself. Bye bye. They'll just carry and go psychiatry from psychiatry airport. From airport, I go receive am for Lagos here. Now special package. I go help you receive am. I go help you receive am because that kind of man no need to go back to Edo State. He no need Edo State. Now me go package am here. Me no worry. Oh, so anytime when they want bring her come, let me know. Now special package. Thank you. I don't rest my case.
God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Freddy, are you with us? Good afternoon.
Oh, I bet me of another person talk. I dey come.
Okay. Sister Recef. Sister Recef, are you with us? Or Sister Cockroach? Anyone can unmute, I mean.
Yeah, bro. Good afternoon.
I greet you. Good afternoon.
I greet the asshole.
I'll get to pass.
Well, concerning the case when dey ground, as I just dey talk and said, the thing just dey vex me. The thing vex me well, pay me. Some men, they don't know wetin they get until they lose am. Anyway, my hope be say, make that woman, make she try fight the case. So, make she not allow that man come back to that house. Because if that man come back to that house, you can't even put him for trouble. I'm talking out of experience, ne? All these men, some of them here, they know they change. They know they change, you know get how you go do rich. They can never change. And we get soft mind, soft heart. So they always use our soft heart against us. So make she not accept that man to enter that house. No matter wetin friends they tell am, may forgive. If you forgive am, but may it dey you. May it dey you because of the children. All these men, you dey pity them. They no dey pity themselves. They pity them say because of the country wey we dey. But they no dey pity themselves. They no dey help matter. If you come dey change up for them, they will come dey see us as a bad woman. They see us as a bad woman. She just tire me. So make she no allow anybody to tell her to forgive the man, make the man come back house. Because the one when the man will come do she will regret am. She will regret am. Me, I don't do something like that before. It nearly put me for trouble. Now God save me. Out of leave and na your husband. Forgive her now, you don't born for her now, your husband now. But last now, when he said, all those people when they tell me say leave her, I don't see them. I don't see anybody. Now they see they laugh me. Say I pursue my husband for us. Why be say now he pursue himself? Pobre every day, pobre. Eh? Now then all these men, now they no go pay us rent too. And they no pay rent. And they no go let peace reign for us. I don't know what to be their problem. Oh, if the woman just use her brain, Make she use her brain before they come collect children for her hand. Because those children, now they important to us, so we know where they pay us, what would they give birth to them. And all these men, they not send them. Some of them, they not send. They not send though. If you know where they pay you, where you carry belle for 9 months, come born. Better choose your children. Make the man dey outside the mumu itself first. I'm waiting I fit talk with that bro. Bro, you know say my case still dey road now. Me I dey wait make my people call me, make they say they don't collect their own dowry. Make I for fit get strength, say the journey my life dey go.
I know, I understand.
I'm waiting because they dey on the day road. I dey wait for their call. I pray make they collect am. No be small. Okay, bros. So my sister may take her.
Okay, thank you very much. That's for me. Oh, but this is not fair. This is not fair. You can't wait till the last day, so. Thank you very much, my sister. Reese, God bless you. Nice meeting you again.
Good afternoon, host. Good afternoon. You know, say all these children, if once they don't day house like this, person know they see road. Now, good afternoon, everybody.
We're good too.
Host, good afternoon. Once he just put this thing for neck, he just know say na traditional matter we want settle. Traditional matter.
This is what.
Na traditional matter we want settle. Allah everywhere. Hey, God of mercy. May God help us. When I dey tell una say na crazy people, most of us they born for na say na joke.
Mama, don't come.
I go dey tell una say na mad people we all dey born for. May God help our children. All these people, crazy people everywhere. Imagine person where they say one make person crazy. Now it already they crazy. It don't they mad because now let crazy person now if they release this nonsense come off for mouth. They talk say you want give person madness. Now wow. Wait, all this me. This one I they talk. I say it not beyond me be me. So na me. This one na one of them. This one don't graduate. Some of us we don't already born one, born two, finish before we they know say na mad person. One of the psychiatric patient now we all go born for. Only say we know queen no. We know the queen no. We they born finish before our eye come the open say na crazy person we go born for. Person where they release for chain. We call it that Libya road. Thank God. Oh God. Because what it be this one where you might be they talk more for mouth now. Some of us they born finish before we they realize say no na the wrong direction, the wrong place. Now we all go enter. This one road no day. Also wait now the woman they cross border go buy goat meat. I been at the man.
Now the woman.
The woman said to do now. Which king go courage that level? Person who can't go buy. They know they see goat meat buy for Dutchland.
You know the sweet.
Ishaki no dey. This kind man not even need goat meat. Ishaki. Those one where they use chemical take wash. By the time he chop poison, where belle go swell up for full night, he no fit sleep. He go learn how to respect woman. This kind man no need respect. No, the woman calm. Oh, he calm. I swear to God, this woman calm. Because wait it be this one. Now let mad person. I go fit they talk. Wait it this man they talk more for mouth. As he call the craze, now she police don't call carry and in madness now come on for the house. Yeah, the woman who the outside now. They no host not be lie you lie. They no they agree pay house rent. They no they agree pay. That time my own I call the when he call this threatening, I call say I beg call do me you come off for ma. He say I know they go anywhere. House where you know they pay for. You say you know they go just this the way this woman else he tell your husband now. They say husband, the boyfriend. Say just he go make peace for rain. So now wait till I see tell my own that time go make peace ring. May everywhere see calm. This quarrel too. He say I know they go anywhere. Before I go come out, I go make sure I do you something. I say, before you come out, you do me something. As I hear they drop my picking for school. I all carry. I know if you carry kid that because kid they with them. I all carry myself go police station. I all tell they say person all day my house where they threaten me. I know they save. So I know if he enter my house. Before me they walk carry. They just me say my they go. Before me they walk carry house. They don't dey my door. They don't enter house. Me even walk me there. I walk me there for who's the laugh? I walk me there for upstairs. Oh, person where no one come off my they meet on top of food. They eat. If they talk blah blah blah. Then they say, oh God, do me you come out. You know one come out. House rent, you know they pay up till now when me and you they talk. So now social house is still there till now. Wait for how many years now? Social house now is still there for this Dutchland. Social house now this boy still there because no one pay house rent. They know they agree pay, but they can fund traditional man. Those one we know they fee pay house rent. So now that they fund traditional man. Now they go they shout my children, my children, my children. Children where they talk. So they not sabi take care of the children. My own that time where they see give and grace, may see they see the children go. If they come back, if I ask my pikin where to night, the only food where they chop for them are bread and custard. They know they chop past bread and custard. I call they say they know they say you know they cook another food give you. I go say no, mommy, we eat bread and custard. I call they pity my daughter because she's still small that time. Bread and custard might be the best food where my children they eat for them. Bread and custard, they no they ever get better thing to offer children. Rather than it's my children. Now my children. This kind of person wait offer they mad. Now which kind cause they want cause I get because they already they mad now. Now God save this woman self. Oh, you know no say na mad person you're there with for house. You go your press use pillow, take press on your face for night. You go your buy you for inside room. They will call say na mad person case don't close. You know say if crazy person buy person, they no get what they do. They will tell say na crazy person. Because this kind of person now, he say he want go tell Lazarus